In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a clickable link inside of a PDF. I'm going to show you how you can do this for free with an online based application. So what you need to do is first open up Google. Once you've got Google open, do a search for Sejda. Now Sejda is a free PDF tool which allows us to edit our PDFs. So go ahead and click on the first link. It should take you to sejda.com. From here, you can go ahead and upload your PDF. So click edit a PDF document, upload PDF files, and then upload the PDF you want to add a link to. So I'm going to add it here and we can go ahead and add and edit any text. Now, maybe you have some text already and you want to link some existing text. If so, go to links in the top here, click on that, and then you need to highlight the area that you want to link. So for example, if you want to link your email address, go ahead and highlight it. Then this box will appear. And now for this example, you want to link to an email address. So you will click on it and then type out your email. So I've entered my email here, we can then click enter, and now this link will be linked, and if someone clicked on it, it would open up their email application on either their phone or computer. You can also add text, so if you click on the text tool, you can add text. If you click on this downwards arrow, you can find specific text, but if you wanted to add it, click here and you can add text. Hello, this is a link. And what you can do from here, you can highlight all of this text, you can change the font to match your PDF, and you can link it. So if you highlight all of it, you can then click on this link icon, this create a link icon, it will highlight it for you, and then you can link this to wherever you need to link it. I'll just link it to Google, click enter. Now once you're done and you've added your links, click apply changes, and then you just click download. Download your PDF. It will go to your downloads, and then here is the new PDF. You can see if we hover over our email, it is a link. And if we click on it, it's going to ask to open in mail. So that's working. And then here where I put, hello, this is a link. If we click on that, it goes to Google. So that is how you do it for free.